QBTS Stock Wednesday. In this 1-minute video, I'm talking whether this QBTS symbol is a buy or not for me. Generally now speaking, it's a demand area and it's actually just sitting on the bleeding edge for me. And I've talked about it, like this might be like an unusual approach to look at this. Bro, but like with QBTS, I've been the guy that's gotten all these, receipts, just QBTS related. And I began being bullish since November, and if you've been watching my videos, you will see how much I've actually called this thing out. And now, because it's sitting in my demand area, I'm still looking for like such a similar thing again, because like the drawings are in a way I just managed to hide them. And the only thing that I care about is the price actually pulling down quite hard and then breaking that high. That's going to result in like a beautiful second range break, and then and only then I'll get involved. But other than that, like if my rules are not met, then I have no business touching this. I'm not gonna trade it, simple as that. So if you want to make more money trading in a simple and way, click the first link in the description and I'll see you in the next one.